Mr. Chairman, who is pulling who? Who is pulling whom? Remember that the Monterrey development will be there for 100 years. We all know that the major typhoon will hit Cebu every 3 years. So what happens? The developers will be long gone with their billions in profit. Let me cite some facts based on what they said. They said the Monterraxas, the rainfall of June 3 showed that it was substantially meet the requirement. The rainfall on June 3 was 4 millimeters. The rainfall in Baguio Rubing was 271 millimeters. The rainfall in Bising on October 4, 1995 was 174 millimeters. Pebang on October 28, 1995 was 166 millimeters. Toyang, November 30, 2000 was 147 millimeters. Hino, which was just last November for 2025, was 205 millimeters. And they're so proud that 4 millimeters is good enough. Money talks. The developer Monterrey seem to be intoxicated at the expense of the poor who will drown when a major typhoon happens. Based on their own accomplishments report, the existing tax system can only handle 52 millimeters of rain. That's if everything fills up exactly. I've cited 5 typhoons that are over 150 millimeters. Again, we should insist on the cease and desist order until the expanded catchment can handle at least 300 millimeters of rain or 10% more than Rubing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.